I want to show you a little bit more information about the Tenax Eliox. It's a 2-to-1 mix of epoxy. You can see how beautiful and nice and clear it is. Here it is mixed. And then when you put it on a piece of white quartz, how clear it becomes. Very nice and clear. You put it back on some other darker colored materials, granite materials. Look how clear that glue is. And then this is actually done on the quartzite cristallo. There was no color added to it. This is just a natural color of Eliox. And you can see how well it did. And what's really great about this is the cristallo is very chippy, and when you can put in with the Eliox, it fills it all in, makes it really nice, clean, and virtually a completely invisible seam. Extremely strong. You'll break the stone now before you break the bond. This is a great product by Tenax.